Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. This is the Peter Rassenti knives, the Toad. That's the new model, the new warning. But first of all, let me say a big thank you to my buddy Derek for sending this guy along, for me to be able to share my observation with you. And of course, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this guy? That's a nice little one. This is in for a quick review, and it's a pretty unique knife, guys. The overall length of this one is gonna be like a little bit over 6 inches, maybe like 6.2 inches, with a 2.5 inch long blade and a 3.5 inch long handle. So it's a tiny one, extremely light. It's a titanium frame lock integral. So this is just crazy. It's a clipless titanium frame lock integral, hand carved by Peter himself. Would you look at this? Look at this pattern, like this rocky pattern kind of thing. This, I mean, it can look like a rock, it can look like some other kind of material, but this is titanium. It's just one solid chunk of titanium, nicely shaped. Look at this, the profile, the Coke bottle profile of this handle, carved, milled out from one solid chunk of titanium. It's really incredibly done. I love how the finish, just all this carving, they go around the handle. It's a work of art. Nice titanium frame lock with zirc pivot. There's basically one screw, and it's the pivot, and just a couple of bearings, and that's it. Super simple construction, crazy easy maintenance for this guy. You've got a fantastic worn cliff blade. Would you look at this profile here? Mirror washed. This is a CTS 154 steel with this nice groove going on over here. Hollow grind, mirror washed, finished. Super slicey blade. Nicely done. It is crazy light, guys. This one, it's probably one of the lightest knives I've experienced. This is 1.8 ounces, so absolutely it's gonna disappear in the pocket. You might also want a slip pouch, like something like nice leather pouch to carry this guy, because there's no clip, but it's a truly unique one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.